Planning a trip is exciting, but it's essential to be prepared for unexpected changes. If your plans have changed, this video will guide you on how to easily modify or cancel your protection plan. First, you need to find your plan number, which you can locate in the purchase confirmation email you received when you bought your plan. Next, go to generalitravelinsurance.com/modify-plan. To modify your plan, enter your plan number and last name, then click the search button. The website will locate your plan. Click Modify Plan to proceed. Input your new trip details and then click the Recalculate button. Depending on your new trip details, the plan cost may remain the same or change. If you are owed a refund, it will be issued to the card that was used for the original purchase. To confirm the changes, click the Continue button. If the plan cost has increased, you'll need to provide your payment details. Next, click the Confirm and Pay button. Congratulations! You've successfully modified your plan. You will receive a confirmation email with your modification details. Please note emails may take up to 24 hours. To cancel your plan, enter your plan number and last name, then click the search button. The website will locate your plan. Click the Cancel Plan button to proceed. To confirm your cancellation, click the Cancel Plan button again. Congratulations! You've successfully canceled your plan. You will receive a confirmation email with the details of your cancellation. Please note emails may take up to 24 hours.